Hi guys, it's Nunu and I'm here with you in discussion 7, Beautiful Girl 2014, Everyday Use 1974, and Vindication 1792, 1000 words, 120 points. All right, let's survey this assignment together. We start with a beautiful artwork, food for thought. Does color affect how society views us, our pulchritude, our physical beauty? There are lots of messages in this artwork. Okay, let's scroll down more and see what we have. We have Madonna's 2016 Woman of the Year acceptance speech, and we have 3 links, a timeline, the assignment purpose, and the discussion rubric. I will be clicking on the timeline and going over the due dates for this assignment with you, but I'd like you to click on the assignment purpose and the discussion rubric on your own and read them. The assignment purpose, those are my aims for you in this assignment, what I'd like you to think about and learn to consider. The discussion rubric is how I evaluate your work in this discussion. Okay, scrolling down, we have a part 1 we can see, and we also have a part 2, and we have some help with MLA format because we will be quoting in this assignment. Okay, I'm going to scroll up and I'm going to read part of the part 1 directions with you to make sure they're clear. In 750 words, 3 pages, answer the 3 questions below, and in each of your answers, quote at least once from either Tobias Wolff's Beautiful Girl, Alice Walker's Everyday Use, Mary Wollstonecraft's A Vindication of the Rights of Woman, or Madonna's 2016 Woman of the Year acceptance speech for a total of 3 quotes. Use correct MLA 8 format, which you reviewed in the MLA quizzes in modules, and which is also some MLA help for you here to check out. Okay, what are the questions you have to answer? They are here on the screen, question 1, question 2, and question 3. Okay, where are the works we're going to discuss? You have the links to the work right here. Tobias Wolff's Beautiful Girl, Walker's Everyday Use, Wollstonecraft's A Vindication of the Rights of Woman. If you cannot access these works through these links, scroll up and go into Pages in the left menu. Click on Pages and then View All Pages, and the works will come up. We see Beautiful Girl right here, Everyday Use, and A Vindication of the Rights of Woman. Okay, so we're going to click once, twice on the back arrow to get back into the discussion assignment directions, and we're going to read the part 2 directions. Part 2, write a minimum of 125 words, half a page, in response to 2 peers' postings for a total of 250 words, 1 page. What should you write about? Compare your answers to the questions with your peers' answers. And the questions, of course, are questions 1, 2, and 3 on the screen. Okay, I want to include one additional note to you. If you're not able to access the works here through these links or up here in Pages, then go to Google and type in the name of the author, the writer, the name of the work, the title, and they'll pop up on Google. They are public domain available for you to read. Okay, we know that sometimes links move around on the net, and we have to find alternate ways to access assignments. Whoops, I came up with A Vindication of the Rights of Woman. Let me click back here. That link is working. That's good. As always, I'm going to point to inbox here. If you have any questions or concerns about this assignment, email me. If you want to chat, you're never bothering me. You're never emailing me too much. If something's not clear to you, email me. I love to hear from you, and I care about your learning. All right, I'm scrolling back up to the top of the assignment, discussion 7, let's get started.